I look the fuck good. Like better relax. Who? Hey hoes, what's good? What's up? And it's your girl Jay. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am posting every single day in December and I would hate for you to miss any of my videos. Like, sis, come on. Like, we are putting time and effort into this and I don't want you to miss out. So in today's video, I'm doing the last and final look of my color series. If you are just coming across this and you're like, color what? Color who? I posted a different look every single day and it's a different color. Today's color is pink. Today, Vlogmas Day 7. Hello. And this is going to close off my color series. I went really simple but still bold. Like this is like wearable. Like I could get that. Yeah, I would look bomb. I love this. Like I might have to redo this. Yeah, this is probably gonna be a long video because I talk my butt off, but I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you're subscribed. If you want to know whenever I post my Vlogmas videos, make sure you follow me on Instagram at lifeasiaj, the same as my YouTube username. Iaj is J spelled backwards because someone has life as J and they actually live in the same city, which is funny. Love that for her. So yeah. But we are just gonna get on into this video. Okay, so roll the clips. Hey y'all, oh my gosh, it's been so long since I like actually talked to y'all. You know, I've been doing voiceovers for like the last few videos because one I've just been watching YouTube while I've been doing this. Two, I haven't really been in a good mood, to be honest. I'm just gonna be real. Like I haven't been in a good mood, so I don't want to like do a chitty chatty chit video and I'm not in a good mood. Like who wants to sit and watch that? Nobody. Okay, can y'all believe I'm drinking black coffee? It has a little bit of sugar-free syrup, but I'm drinking black coffee, which is not a thing for me, and I'm just like, I feel so adulty. This look was supposed to already have been up, but I had finals today and I had to study last night and I couldn't film. I stayed up till 3 a.m. studying for my final, but I did really good on it, so it was worth it. But I'm just gonna get this video up late and then we're gonna get back to our regularly scheduled program tomorrow. So okay, now that I got that rambling or whatever out the way, but for today's look we are going into the matte palette from Carity and I literally only use 2 shades, like literally the easiest look ever. I'm going into Lumbia and I'm going into Cancun. These are the 2 shades that I'm using for this eye. It's so easy, so simple. Literally it takes you like 2 minutes. Not me, because I take forever to do everything, but I'm just using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer to prime my lids. I need to use that MAC paint pot that I paid $17 for. I need to put her to use. Y'all, I love this brush. Oh my gosh, I have so much to just talk about, but I really don't. Like, I haven't talked to them in so long. Okay, so my mom, she does this thing where she gives me like a little present every single day because, like, you know, I'm older. Like, I don't really get like a bunch of gifts on Christmas because I'm 19. Like, what is she gonna give me? Like, come on now. So like every day I've been getting little gifts, and one of the gifts that I got was this candle which smells so good. It's from it's from Yankee Candle and the scent Honey Clementine. I need to be doing my makeup. Why am I just talking? She got me these 2 palettes from Profusion because I saw this girl on my Snapchat that I follow on Snapchat talk about these. They sent her these palettes and she did looks with them and I'm like, oh my god, these palettes are so bomb. So I went to Target and I like looked and I was like, oh my gosh, like I really want those. So my mom got me these 2 and I think there's 2 more, so maybe I'll get those 2. But this one is just an all matte palette, which I think is essential. It's essential to have an all matte palette. Like, I don't know, it's just essential. And these are just all neutrals, everyday wearable shades. And then this one is Confidence, and oh my gosh, this palette is so beautiful. Like, look Look at that shade right there. It's probably all bright on camera, but oh my gosh, the shade. This palette is so pretty, and it comes with a duo-ended brush, which is amazing, and each palette is 10 bucks. Excuse me, hello. I have so many palettes for no freaking reason. I'm just like a palette hoarder. Like, I love them. I don't even have to use them. I just love having them. Knowing that I have them, it just fulfills me. And doing these looks have really pushed me. Like, oh my god, I feel like some of the looks that I've done were kind of basic. Like, ugh, you could have did better, sis. But oh my god, I'm so glad that I did this, because one, I haven't played with eyeshadow, like played with it in so long. Two, I have so many palettes that I don't use that I need to put to use. I loved this. So glad I did it. And I planned this color series all the way in June. I've had this sitting on my computer since June. This look goes so perfectly with my nails, even though my nails are like so disgusting, but just thought I'd point that out. I'm still using the Columbia, I think it's called. I forgot already. Alright, so now I'm dipping into Cancun, and I'm just gonna run that along the edges so it's a little bit more blended and like seamless. I love taking, like when I do colorful looks, I love taking the color up to my brow bone. I don't know why. I used to not like to do that. I was like, oh my gosh, it's like so much eyeshadow, it's like taking over my eye, because I have such small eyes, so just gives the appearance of like bigger lids. I don't know, I'm making stuff up, I guess. I don't know, I really don't know why I do it. I just do it and I like it. Okay, loving this lash, so like big and ghetto. Oh, love her. All right, so now I'm gonna pack Columbia onto my lid. Oh, she's pretty, girl, you are fire. Alright, so now I'm just gonna pop on the lash. Alright, y'all, so I just finished the lower lash line. I had to concentrate because I don't want to poke my eye out, but I just added some black liner, a little bit of black eyeshadow. The shadow is called Disturbia, like the darkness in the night. Ooh, they did that one. So I just smoked out the black liner with a little bit of Disturbia, and then I went in with the hot pink and the coral color, and boom. So now we are moving on to face. No face, no gaze, but we about to put on the face. So first things first, I'm the realist. I'm gonna hydrate my face with this Mario Badescu spray, or try to at least. Try not to mess up my lower lash line, because I am going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, shade 370. I always look back on pictures when I wear this foundation, and I'm just like, bitch, I look the fuck good. So, oh my god, I love this eye. I'm like beating my face, like literally. Look at that. Girl. Who? I don't care what nobody say about Rihanna yesterday. She did that. Let's forget how much I actually like this foundation. And I remember the days when I didn't even like matte foundation. And I have like a headache like right here. It hurts so bad. Whew. So let's get some concealer on our face like ASAP. ASAP, no Rocky. So I'm actually gonna mix concealers today because I really liked how this combo came out when I tried it the other day. It's the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Honey, and my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in shade Golden. And you already know I like to add foundation to the edges. I don't know how this is gonna work out because this foundation dries so quickly, so can't let it sit too long. BH Cosmetics literally has the best mirrors in their palettes. Like their palettes, what was that? Their palettes aren't all of that, but the mirrors are so fire. So before we set, we are going to cream contour. You already know the drill. You already know the deal. So sad that I put on all this makeup just to wash it off. Oh well. Story of my life, because I don't have a life. I get my Morphe R4 and I am just patiently blending that out. That foundation stick with this brush is just iconic. Like, what? Y'all, my dog is so bad. He's like so bad. Just bad. He's just bad. He's like so. I so seriously need to wash my brushes. But, like, look at all these dirty brushes. Come on, sis. And you wonder why your skin is looking terrible. Who wants to sit up there and scrub a brush? Girl, I'd rather break out. It'll be gone in a couple days. Never fails, it gets all over me. I really hope this isn't focused because I don't have it auto-focusing because this lens is so loud. But see, like, when you look straight, I want to be able to see, like, oh, okay, she has on bronzer. Like, that's the goal. That sounded so meaty. I really want to get, like, a humongous brush for bronzing. I do not feel like paying $20 for a brush. Baby, no. No, thank you. Next. Thank you, next. Bitch. I like using this brush for nose contour. This is a Morphe E61. See, like, you can tell this side. Like, look at this side compared to the girl. I kind of just like put powder all over the ball of my nose. I don't know why. I love my nose to look super dark. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the shade Lena from this Juvia's Place. It's the Hair and Blush Volume 2 palette. Ooh, whoa. On the apples of my cheeks and bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. See, look at the difference. Blush, no blush. Like, each component of makeup just brings everything together. So put on that blush, sis. Like, put it on. I'm also going to go in with this Maybelline blush, the Maybelline Fit Me blush in shade 50 Wine. I need to get more of these because these are really good. Like, really good. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. I love blush. Love her. Love her energy. So beautiful. Okay. So now you want to drench your face. Like, drench your face. Okay. Yes! Okay, I'm so happy. Calm down, calm down. What is my problem? Oh my gosh. Like, come on. Like, what? What is my issue? Highlight. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome. I haven't used this in so long, and it was so hyped up when I used it. I didn't like it, but that's what I didn't know how to apply highlights. So we're gonna give it another go. Oh, girl. Oh, bitch. Oh my gosh. What was, whoa. How come y'all didn't tell me? Oh my. This is bomb. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Let's put, wow. Why am I so late? Like, I don't understand. Oh my gosh. Bitch. I'm shooketh. I hate that word. Oh my God. I can't believe I said that. Look at my chin. I love that. Like, I look like I just ate a piece of fried chicken. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm screaming. Screaming and beaming. Like, I'm shook. I'm shaking in my boots. Oh. If I'm whispering, it's because my mom is asleep and I just want to be like a little bit respectful. I just want to be like a little bit respectful. She's still asleep. I love this. Oh, I love highlight. Like, do you want to know how many highlights I have? I am shook. I look so good. Okay, I'm sorry. Like, I've been looking real ugly lately. Highlight, foundation, and concealer is what I buy the most. I'm shook. Okay, we're good. We're good. No. That ain't it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with NYX Coffee Liner. Let's see how I like this. Then I'm just gonna take this Ruby Kiss Jelly Lippy that I got from my beauty supply. Oh, dicks. Oh. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed my color series. I'm so sad that it's ending, but I'm so happy at the same time because I have literally spent a good like 21 hours just doing these looks, and I'm tired. Okay, like I'm tired. I'm tired of touching makeup. I'm just kidding. I'm really not. But it's just been a lot of work, and I'm really proud of all the looks that I created. I hope y'all enjoyed the series, but we have more coming in Vlogmas 2018. If you missed any of the previous looks, there is a playlist that's linked in the description box and is also in the cards. So make sure you check that out if you want to see my previous looks, or if you don't have time to watch the videos, you can just head over to my Instagram. It's at @lifeasayaj, the same as my YouTube username, and I post all my looks there. So yes, you know, killing two birds with one stone, getting YouTube content, getting Instagram content. So it's just content all around the world. So love that for me. Without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. I'll see you tomorrow, which is probably, no, I'll see you later on today because this is going up a day late, so it's gonna be 2 videos in one day. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.